Morning, this is Dr. R. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic relationship between the break statement and then continue statement. Usually break and continue keyword will be used in while loop, do while or else for loop. Looping structure we are going to implement break and continue keyword. So break, the word break we are going to use in order to skip over if you want to stop the program in between before stopping the looping structure. If you want to stop in between, for that reason we can use a break keyword. If suppose we have many iteration, in that only one iteration if you want to skip out, so for that reason we can use continue keyword. So usually break and continue will used in looping structure. We already saw looping is none other than repetitive process, n number of outputs and all. We are going to focus on looping concepts. So for example, a real-time example, if you want to find out some prime numbers, or else if you want to find out number of odd numbers or even numbers, likewise for that reason and all, we are going to focus on looping concepts. So first of all, if you want to use break keyword, for that what syntax we have to use means, first break அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு keyword use பண்ணி we have to stop the process. Here in continue statement, if you want to skip one iteration, for that we are going to use continue. So in that we are going to use the keyword called continue. Case sensitive, so we have to focus on small case. And then break is used mainly for terminating the loop. Continue is mainly used to continue the next iteration in the loop. If you want to skip over the one iteration, so for that purpose we are going to focus on continue. Usually break we will use in switch case statement in order to take some decision making. We have if else, and then if ladder, switch case. So in that switch case frequently we will use break keyword. And then looping statements also we are going to focus on break keyword in order to terminate the looping structure. Here in continue we are going to use only in looping concepts. We can't able to use in switch case statement. Switch case is most probably related to if ladder, and then if it's mainly focus on controlling the loop. We are going to focus the break keyword is mainly for control, and we move on to the outside the loop. If you want to stop the program in certain looping condition, so for that purpose we are going to focus on break keyword. In continue statement, control remains in the same loop. The looping structure itself, if for example if the condition is I less than or equal to 10, likewise means if you want to skip fourth iteration, so if the value is 4, that particular process alone, the particular statement alone skip over. So for that reason we are going to use continue keyword. So the break and continue is mainly focus on looping statements. In the looping statement, most probably we will use while loop and do while. We are going to use a continue statement. And then the main the switch case and all, if you want to move from one case to another, if suppose the case 1 is valid, after case 1 and case 2, in between we have to break that particular process by using the break keyword. So the break keyword plays an important role in switch case statement. So each and every cases we are going to focus on the expressions we are going to check over with the help of case structure. So in that by using the case keyword only we are going to process the switch case statement. So in that each and every case we are going to implement break keyword. So the break keyword is very important while designing the switch case decision, in order to take some decision. So for that we will specify the break keyword for each and every cases. Even that if any case is invalid, we are going to focus on default. In that also we are going to specify break keyword. So the break keyword plays an important crucial role under switch case statement. So finally, let us summarize the break and continue is mainly focus on looping statements. The break is mainly for terminating the loop, and continue is mainly for skip over the one iteration. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.